Hello students, as in this lecture now we're gonna see a very important concept, how to express the angle in degree, minute and second. As clearly we can see that here we have angle 74.87 degree. In the second example also it is in degree. So here we have the angles and now we have to convert the angles in degree, minute and second. In the last lecture we saw that how to convert this whole section into degree as well as in radian. Now we'll see the reverse process when you have degree and how to convert the degree into degree, minute and second. So that is the process. Okay. So now we'll see how to express the angle in terms of degree, minute and second. Okay. So here note one point. The final answer, the final answer, the final answer for degree, minute and second, see to that it should be without decimal. So whatever the answer, if you are getting, the final answer should be what? Without decimal. Without decimal means like perfect answer. 11 degree, yes or no? 11 degree 52 minute, okay, 12 second. The final answer of degree, minute and second, it should be what? Without decimal. That means in simple language we have to ignore decimal. Now how to ignore decimal? So there will be a process, yes or no? So remember this, the final answer, it should be without decimal for everything. Degree, even degree also it should be without decimal. As clearly we can see that in the first step only, in the question itself only, the degree answer it is in decimal. So we have to avoid a decimal. See to it that whenever you convert the whole angle into degree, minute and second, the final answer it should be without decimal. Remember this point. So now we'll see what is the exact process. So whenever you have like this, okay, suppose here we have 74.87 minute and 74.87 second. So this can be written as 74 degree plus 0.87 degree. Understood? The 74.87 we can write as 74 degree plus 0.87. As you will add, you will get the previous step. Yes or no? Okay. And see to it that as I told, the final answer it should be without decimal. Try to avoid the decimal. Yes or no? So whenever you come across like this in decimal, so you will break the number like the 74 plus 0.87. For minute also you will do the same thing. 74 minute plus 0.87 minute. For second also you will do the same process. 74 second plus 0.87 second. So this is the process. See to it that you have to try to avoid the decimal. The final answer of degree, minute and second, it should be without decimal. So the final answer it should be perfect like this. Okay, 11 degree 52 minute 12 second. Yes or no? So now we'll see the process how to convert. So whenever you come across like this in degree, if decimal is there, in minute decimal is there, in second also decimal is there, so you will break the number like this and then you will apply the process whatever I will explain now. Okay, so now as we know that the conversion is what, the conversion is what, to convert degree into minute, the process is what, 1 degree is equals to 60 minute. If you want to convert minute into second, so the process is what, again multiply by 60. So 1 degree is equals to 60 minute and 1 minute is equals to 60 second. So here as we know that 74.87 degree as the answer itself it is in decimal, so we have to avoid the decimal for degree as well as for minute as well as for second. So here the first step, you will write this as 74 degree plus 0.87 degree. Understood the first step? Whenever you come across with decimal for degree, minute and second, so this is the process. You will break this number. Yes or no? Break this number by writing the connection plus in between. Understood? So now, as clearly we can see that the first 74, it is perfect now. It is without decimal. As if it is without decimal, so we'll keep this part as it is. Now what to do about this 0.87? Now we'll convert this section into minute. We got the first part. We got the first part. The first section is what? Degree. The second is what? Minute. And the third one is what? Second. So here we got the perfect answer of degree, that also without decimal. As we got the perfect answer without decimal, so we'll keep that number as it is. Got the point? Okay, so what about this now? What to do? Now we'll convert this degree into minute now. So to convert degree into minute, simply you will do what? You will multiply this number by 60. So this degree will get converted into minute. So we'll keep this 74 as it is, as we got the degree answer without decimal. Yes or no? Now for this I had multiplied by 60, so this degree will get converted into minute, because we know the process 1 degree is equals to 60 minute. After that you will multiply this two number. Okay, so you will multiply this two number. So when you will multiply this two number, so you will get 6 sevens are 42, 48, 50, 52.2 minute. Yes or no? 52.2 minute. Understood? Okay, so now after this, as I told, whenever you come across decimal in minute also, so we'll keep this 74 as it is. Now we'll break this 52.2 as 52 minute plus 0.2 minute. Understood the process? Whenever you come across the degree in decimal, the minute in decimal, the second in decimal, the process will be what? You will break the number with the connection plus, because this 52, because this 74 plus 0.87, both the power is same. So when the both the powers are same, so directly we can write this as what? 74.87 minute. So here that only we can do the same step. 52.2 we can break this as 52 plus 0.2, as both the section it is in minute. Okay, so here we'll keep this 74 in the next step as it is, even this 52 minute also, because here which we got the answer, it is in without decimal. As I told, the final answer of degree, minute and second, it should be without decimal. Yes or no? Got the point? Okay, so now we left with only second now. So now we'll convert this section into second simply by multiplying by 60. So it will get converted into second. Yes or no? Because we know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Understood? So if you want to convert degree to minute and minute to second, simply the process is what? Multiply by 60, so it will get converted into minute. Again multiply by 60, so that minute will get converted into second. Okay, so next step will be what? We'll keep this part as it is, as degree it is without decimal, so it is perfect. 52 also, it is without decimal, it is perfect. Okay, so whenever you come across degree in decimal, minute in decimal and second in decimal, so this is the process. You will break the number like this. Yes or no? So this is the step which you have to follow. So now 0.2 into 60, 0.2 into 60, so 6 choose 62 it is 120, yes or no? So the decimal will be what? 120. So after 1, so this will be what? 12 second. So here we got the answer 12 second. As clearly we can see that the second now, it is not in decimal, it is without decimal. So now we can stop our process and we can write the final answer as, and we can read this as 74 degree 52 minute and 12 seconds. Simply remove this plus and you can read this as 74 degree 52 minute and 12 second. So in this way you will convert your angle in terms of degree, minute and second. So this is the process. The process is very simple. Just simply you have to note down this step: degree, minute and second. Final answer, it should be without decimal. Whenever you come across the degree, minute and second in decimal, you will break the number and then simply you goes on multiplying the decimal process by 60, decimal process by 60 to convert into minute and then to convert into second. So I hope you all understood the first example. Let's move on to the second one. So your second one is what? 183.7 degree. Okay, so again we'll split this number like this: 183 degree plus 0.7 degree. Yes or no? As we have to convert the angle into degree, minute and second, see to that the final answer, it should be without decimal. As here clearly we can see that here we got 183 degree, which is perfect without decimal. So what about this part? So this decimal part, simply you have to multiply by 60. As you multiply by 60, that degree will get converted into minute, because we know that 1 degree is equals to 60 minute. So therefore 183 plus, so when you will multiply 0.7, 760 is 420, so decimal, so it will get, here you will get 42 minute. Okay, so now here we can see that here the minute also we got and without decimal. So here we don't have to solve the sum further, because here we don't have decimal for minute. So here we can say that the final answer for this will be 183 degree 42 minute. For this sum, here we don't have second, so 00 you can consider. Okay, so no need of writing here 00, nothing. Okay, just simply you can stop your answer. Suppose if you get your answer 42.5 something, so after that you can break that decimal into 42 plus 0.5. So but for this sum here, actually we got the perfect answer for degree, and here also we got the perfect answer for minute. So here we don't have the second for this sum. Got the point? Understood the process how to convert the given angle into degree, minute and second. In simple language, see to it that the final answer of degree, minute and second, it should be without decimal. Wherever you see decimal for degree, minute and second, just simply split, split, split by connecting plus here, and the decimal part you will goes on multiplying by 60. Decimal part you will goes on multiplying by 60 to get convert degree into minute and minute into second. That's a simple concept here. So let's move on to the one more sum here. Okay, as here we have 30.6947, very big number. Okay, so 30.6947 degree. So this we can break this as 30 degree plus 0.6947 degree. Yes or no? So as we know that the final answer of degree minute and second, it should be in without decimal. So here 30, which we got perfect, so we'll keep this 30° as it is. Now we'll convert this decimal number into minutes. So simply you will multiply this by 60, so it will get converted into minute. As we know that 1 degree, yes or no, 1 degree is equals to 60 minute. Okay, so after that we'll keep this 30° as it is, multiply this number, yes or no, so that is 0.0.6947 into 60. So 6 sevens are 42, 48, 8, 6, 6 nines are 41, 41682. I guess you will get 414682. 0. Okay, 412680. So your decimal after 4, so here you will get 41.682. Yes or no? So here you will get 41.682. It will be in minute. Further again same, this perfect without decimal will keep as it is. Now we'll break this number, this minute, as 41 minute plus 0.682 minute, as here 41 also we got without decimal. So now we're left with the second part. Yes or no? So simply what you will do now, to this decimal section will multiply by 60. So now this minute will get converted into seconds. So 1 minute is equal to what? 60 second. So in simple language, wherever you see decimal goes on multiplying by 60. So first in multiplication 60, that degree will convert into minute, and in the second process that minute will get convert into second. Okay, and whenever you come across like this, degree in decimal, minute in decimal, and second in decimal, split, break the number with the adding process. Okay, between this process the relation will be plus. Okay, sit with this. Okay, so now the next step will be what? We'll keep this 30° as it is, 41 minute as it is. So now we'll multiply 0.682, 0.682 into 60. So this will be 40920. So 40920. So 3 decimals. So here this will be what? 40.92. Here we got 40.92. But here, as I told, the final answer it should be in what? Without decimal. As for the first sum, directly here we got the perfect answer. Even in the second also, here we got the direct answer. But here in this process, here we got the answer in decimal. So we have to avoid the decimal. We have to remove the decimal. So now after this we don't have any conversion, like we have to convert the second into millisecond. We don't have any conversion like this. In this chapter we have the conversion only for degree to minute and minute to second. Now your second, in the final step also, here you are getting the answer in decimal. So what you will do here now, in the final step, just simply you will write this 40.92 approximately as 40.9, as it is more than 5. So here we'll write 41 second approx. Here you will write approx, as because after this we don't have any conversion, okay, to second to millisecond. Okay, so after this we have to stop our answer. So how you can stop the process, how you can stop the chain? Simply writing this number approximately at 40.92, we can write as 41. So here this we can read as 30°, 41 minute and 41 second. Here simply you will write after is approx, as we are doing approximately, we are converting this second. as after this we don't have the process to convert the minute into milliseconds, so we have to stop our process. To stop our process, we know that the final answer of degree, minute and second, it should be without decimal. To avoid this decimal, we are writing this answer approximately at 41 seconds. So here this we can read as 30 degree. For this sum we can read this as 30 degree, 41 minute and 41 second, but here at the end you will write approximately. So in this way you have to convert your answer. I hope you all understood the process, how to convert the angle into degree, minute and second. Even this process also, how to convert minute, degree, minute and second into degree and radian. So this is the reverse process of this section. I hope you all understood the concept as well as these three example. This section will play an important role because this part it is there in the exercise. It will be clearly mentioned that express the angle in degree, minute and second. So this is the process, this is the method in which you will find your answer. As in the exercise there is one more sum, but it is not in degree, it is in radian. And in this also it will say that you have to express the angle in degree, minute and second. So first of all we have to convert this radian into degree, yes or no? So we know the process how to convert the radian into degree. So this one sum actually it is there in the exercise. So see the twist and the difference and how to frame our step for the exam. Okay, so 1 upon 5 it is in radian. So if it is in radian, first step is what you have to convert this a radian into degree. So we know that the process is what, if you want to convert a radian into degree, it is 180 upon pi, yes or no? Simply you have to multiply that number by 180 upon pi, so it will get converted into degree. Okay, so now so this will be 5 ones are 5, 36 are. So here we got 36 upon pi degree. As the answer it should be in number, this complete answer it should be in number, not in terms of pi, yes or no? As we saw the first example, it was in number. The second example also it was in number. Here also it is in number, yes or no? So here what exactly you have to do in the next step, as we know that this pi is what, now it is an irrational number, it is a constant. So we know that what is the value, it is 3.14, 22 upon 7, because now we have to remove this pi. As the answer it should, the complete answer it should be number only. Okay, so now this pi it is inside the box. Here we don't have the radian or a degree, yes or no? It is inside the box. So here pi we can replace this pi by 3.14 or 22 upon 7. Okay, further just reduce the number, cancel, reduce the number, or as direct divide, or first remove the decimal and then divide the numbers. Okay, it is on you. As here I am writing the answer directly. So when you will reduce the number, when you will cancel, you will divide, you will get this answer 11.4649 degree. So here as now we had converted this radian into degree. After this you will start your process. 11 degree plus 0.4649 degree, yes or no? As this part it is perfect without decimal, so for this part you will multiply by 60, so that degree will get converted into minute. Then after that that minute will get converted into second. After this the method will be same. Okay, like this you have to do. I hope you all understood the method how to convert the angle into degree, minute and second. Please try this part, this section by yourself and see the final answer. So this one sum actually it is different in the exercise, which is there in the exercise. The answer, the question actually it is in radian. So first you have to convert this radian into degree, and then after that you have to convert this angle, you have to express this angle into degree, minute and second. I hope the remaining section, the remaining part you can try by yourself. Yes or no? Okay. Okay, so I hope you all understood the method, how to express the following angles in degree, minute and second, and how to convert degree to minute and minute to second, and the reverse process, second to minute and minute to degree. So let's take some few example, few more sums from the exercise. Okay, as the same sum actually it is there in the exercise. Now we'll see how to solve this sum. As in this question it says that in triangle ABC, as we have a triangle ABC. ABC is a triangle in which the measure of angle A, it is 7 pi by 36 radian. Angle B, it is 120 degree, and simply you have to find the answer of angle C in terms of degree as well as in radian. In both the system you have to find the answer. Now listen here, as it is clearly mentioned it is a triangle. For triangle we know that there are three angles, and there is one simple property I hope you all might be knowing. The sum of the measure of the interior angle of the triangle, the sum of the measure of the interior angle of the triangle, the sum of the measure of the interior angle of the triangle is what? 180. Yes or no? You all might be knowing this. Okay. Now here the angle A, it is in radian. Angle B, it is in degree. Now see to that the unit, this section, either both it should be in radian or it should be in degree. That is a method. If one it is in radian, one it is in degree, we cannot solve the sum further. Both it should be in same system. Either it should be in degree or it should be in radian. So first convert this radian into degree, or else you convert this degree into radian. Either you convert this angle, both the angles in terms of radian or in terms of degree. So which process will be easy? Converting the angle degree into radian or radian into degree? I hope you are perfect in doing the sum with respect to degree, yes or no? So we'll convert this radian into degree. So we'll keep this both the angles in terms of degree, and then we'll find our answer. I feel that the degree will be best process to solve the sum, yes or no? So whenever you come across the sum like this, triangle, quadrilateral, if the angle, one of the angle, if it is given in radian, try to convert this radian into degree and then solve the sum further. Understood the method? Okay, so same thing here we'll do. So here we'll start with the solution. Okay, so here we know that 1 radian is equals to 180 upon pi degree, yes or no? So here measure of angle A is what? 7 pi by 36 radian. So we'll convert this 7 pi by 36 into degrees. So simply you have to multiply this process by the number by 180 upon pi. Okay, so this pi will get cancelled. 36 ones are 36 fives are 7 fives, it is 35. So the answer of angle A in terms of degree is what? 35. Yes or no? So whenever, see to that, whenever you come across the sum like this, a triangle, in a quadrilateral, okay, if the angle, if it isn't mentioned in radian, First convert that radian into degree and then solve the sum further. I hope that process of converting radian into degree will be easy. Okay, it is not compulsory that you have to convert the radian into degree only. You can keep this both the angles in radian also and then you can solve, but I feel converting radian into degree will be the best process. Okay, so here I had converted the measure of angle A, which was in radian, into degree, and already in the question we have yes or no measure of angle B, which is equals to 120, and we have to find the measure of angle C, but in both the system, that means degree as well as in radian. Now we know that the sum of the measures of the angle, the sum of the measure of the interior angle of a triangle is 180. This basic concept which was there in your lower standard. The sum of the measure, I hope you all can write this reason. The sum of the measure of the interior angle of the triangle is what? As this is the interior angle, the sum of the interior angle of the triangle is what? 180. I guess you can write this reason in the exam. So measure of angle A, first it was in radian. We had converted this radian into degree. So this will be 35 degree. Measure of angle B is what? 120. We'll keep this measure of angle C as it is because we have to find the answer. So 35 and 120, it will be what? 155 degree plus measure of angle C equals to 180. So therefore one side alphabet, one side number. So we'll keep this measure of angle C in the left hand side. Okay, so 180 minus 155. So 180 minus 155, it will be what? 25 degree. Okay, so therefore measure of angle C, here we got the answer in degree, but in the question it says that we have to find the answer measure of angle C in degree as well as in radian. So now we'll convert the angle 25 degree into radian. So simply you will multiply the number by pi by 180, so it will get converted into radian. So 1 degree is equals to what? Pi by 180 radian. Yes or no? Understood? Okay, so here we can cancel this two number, so the common number will be 5. So 5 5s are 25 and 5 36 are, it is 180. So here we left with 5 pi by 36 radian. So here we got the answer of angle C in terms of radian also. Okay, it is in terms of radian. So therefore we can say that measure of angle C in degree is 25 and measure of angle C in radian it is 5 pi by 36 radian. So that's the end of the sum. I hope you all understood this sum, as you will have one triangle in which you will have some angle and you have to find one answer, one angle. As for this sum, here we have out of three angle, here we have two angle it is given and you have to find the third one using the property. I hope you all might be knowing a triangle and the interior angle property, that is sum of the measure of interior angle of the triangle is what? 180. Suppose if this triangle is replaced by quadrilateral and here we have the angles. So for quadrilateral we know the process, we know the property, the sum of the interior angle of the quadrilateral will be equals to 360. So there are sums in the exercise which is based on the quadrilateral also. So when it comes quadrilateral, so there you will use the property sum of the measure of the interior angles of the quadrilateral is 360. When it is a triangle, so you will apply this property. Understood? And see to that whether it is triangle or quadrilateral, if the angle, if it is mentioned in radian, so first convert that radian into degree and then solve the sum further. I hope keeping the answer in terms of degree, it will be easy and you can find your answer easily in both the system. Okay, I hope you understood all the concept which we had did today. Yes or no? Conversion, degree to minute, minute to second, and then second to minute and minute to degree. We took 2 3 example based on this. Then after that we saw very important concept, how to express the angle in terms of degree, minute and second. Yes or no? And then after that we saw this sum. I hope you understood all the concept which we had did today, and the remaining thing, remaining concept, remaining sums we'll do in the next lecture. Till then, goodbye, see you in next lecture.